fresh.
Now, with the raging debate over whether to vaccinate or not to vaccinate livestock, our crew went out to search for more information in the leather industry by visiting a local shoemaking factory in Diani, Kwale, called Romika under Joseph Sable brand. And as Tobias Chanji reports, the factory, which was started 4 years ago, has been exporting shoes to the US and European countries. Take a look.
Hundreds of workers are busy at this factory, some sewing, some are packaging. The entire process is quite remarkable. Romika is a subsidiary of Joseph Zeibel, based in Germany, and which has been in the market for over 138 years.
We're the largest consumer of grade 1 leather in East and Central Africa. We also have the privilege of being the first shoe company in East and Central Africa to have exported over 200,000 pairs of shoes to the UK, to US, to Canada, and the whole of Europe. One beautiful thing about our shoe, like the shoe I'm holding, is that we are the largest supplier of Nordstrom. For anyone who has had the privilege of traveling outside the country, you know that Nordstrom is the largest shoe retailer in the US.
The leather is purely from cows, and this chamber is the first point where it is measured and stored.
Specific room that we are in, it stocks everything that we need for what we call upper production. So that includes leathers that we use on the top and inside the shoe, and the things that are in between.
From this point, the next one is for cutting of the leather to different sizes and shapes. Everyone is hands-on to churn out that quality product. The shoe is then shaped and processed in different chambers, alternating between hot and cold chambers, depending on the leather. But does vaccination play a role on the quality of the skin?
The thing is, whether or not to be vaccinated as a shoe manufacturer is not the issue. For me is, am I getting the right quality of leather in Kenya? Remember, 90% of our cattle in Kenya are dairy. That means, because they are dairy, it means they have udders. Because of udder sagging, when you slaughter the cattle, you get stretch marks because of the udders. So we're having a challenge as a shoe manufacturer that we had to go an extra mile even from the tannery to get the high quality leather. So here it's not a issue of vaccination, it's about animal husbandry. How are the farmers trained to raise their cattle?
According to the management, the leather is not only from the cows, but also sheepskin that is used to make the inner part of the shoes to make it odorless, especially for those who don't like socks. Tobias Chanji, KTN, Kwale County.
Applications to study overseas of